In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a refund in Stripe. This process is simple and should only take you about 5 minutes from start to finish. Whether you're new to Stripe or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. First, let's get started by heading to stripe.com. Once there, you'll want to click on the sign in button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your email and password credentials. Input these details carefully to ensure you get access to your dashboard without any hiccups. Once you're set, hit that sign in button and you're all ready to go. Now that you're in your Stripe dashboard, look for the home button to navigate to the main area of your account. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the transactions section. This is your go-to spot for reviewing all the transaction details related to your Stripe account. When you arrive in the transaction section, scan through the list to identify the specific transaction you wish to refund. Click on the one you've chosen. After selecting the transaction, you'll notice a refund option located at the top right corner of the page. It's important to note that this feature is only available on paid accounts. If you have a free account and you don't see this option, you might need to upgrade your account to access this feature. Once you've clicked on the refund option, the next step is to select the amount you want to refund. This could be the full amount of the transaction or a partial amount, depending on the customer's situation or your company's policy. Make sure to double check the amount to avoid any errors. After you've chosen the refund amount, click the proceed button to finalize the process. And there you have it. Your refund is now successfully initiated. It really is that straightforward. Before we wrap up, remember that refunds can take some time to process, depending on the customer's bank. Communicate this to your customers so they know what to expect. Transparency is key to ensuring customer satisfaction. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Being able to process refunds efficiently is a crucial part of managing your Stripe account and maintaining good customer service. With these steps, you should be able to handle refunds seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful Stripe tips and tricks.